So in addition to just being curious, because I've seen these things on Porsches and Mercedes for years, one of the reasons I was asking about the manufacturer of them was to see if I could get them in bulk at a reasonable price to make a patch panel for the old Hirschmann power antennas. But most of them are just way too expensive. So I ended up doing what I often do and 3D printed it like this. So now I can just put the wires in my 3D printed version and it works just like the original. And now I've got a perfect mate. Ooh, you could even hear the antenna power up. Ta-da!